Hi, today we will explore few tricks which may help you to do the multiplication easily. It needs practice. I request to keep practicing after watching this video. Let's start. So alright, let's start the demo. We will start from very basic things. Okay. So first one is ones multiply with same number of ones. Ones means there is a number with ones like 11. If it is 3 digit, that is 111. If it is 4, 1111. Okay. So for example, let's see how to multiply them and what will be the answer, how quickly we can get it. That should be our focus. So here 111 multiply by 111. Okay, how we can calculate it, how easily, how fast we can do it. So you can see here there are three ones, so the answer will be 1 2 3. So how many ones we can go in a sequence like 1 2 3 is the ascending order, then we can go descending like 2 1, right? First we can go ascending from that, where it is how many numbers are there up to that, then we can again go down, right? For another example, if I'll tell I have 5 ones, 1 2 3 4 5 into 1 2 3 4 5, then what should be the output? So here the number has 5 ones, right? So what will be the answer? Let it be 1 2 3 4 5. Up to this clear, right? After that it is ascending, it went from 1 to 5, then it should be descending, like it can be decrease. So after 5 you can go 4 3 2 1 up to that number. So this is very simple trick. Second trick, so here if any number multiply with 11, so how to do that? Suppose the number is 18 and we are going to multiply with 11, how we can do it? So in this case, the first number, you can take the first digit. So it is first number is 18, the first digit is 1. So we need to copy here, first is 1. Okay, then the second digit will be the first number. How many digits are there? You can add them. So first digit is 1, second digit is 8. So 1 plus 8, it is answer will be 9. Then after that, the second digit of the first number, that is 8. Okay, so answer here will be 198. Perfect. So you can see it here. If you take the calculator and try here, what is the answer? Correct. So similarly we can go for another example. Take a 3 digit number or little bit bigger number. We can go for 1 2 3 4 into 11, suppose, right? So the first digit will be 1 because this is the 1, right? So then second 1 plus 2, right? So 1 plus 2 is 3, then 2 plus 3, right? 2 plus 3, so then it is 5, right? Then 3 plus 4, it is 7, right? Then the last number, that is 4. So in case of multiply of 11, nothing to do with 11, everything you can do with the first number. Okay, you can see this is the answer. Let's see from calculator, if we multiply, what will be the output? 1 2 3 4 into 11. See the output, 13574. Is it correct? Yes. So if you remember the formula, so the formula is, suppose a b c into 11. Okay, so the output will be a, which is the first number. Here I am just trying to find out a formula. For the reason I just put a alphabet a b c. So a, right? Then you can make it a plus b, right? Then b plus c, then straightforward c. This will be the output, right? So it can be implemented for 3 digit, for 4 digit, or more than that. If it is multiply with 11, we can do it very easily. Okay, so the next one is number end with 5 and multiply with the same number. the number end with 5. For example, I can tell 45. Okay, and we need to multiply with the same number 45. What will be the output? 20, 25. Okay, how I did it? Because the first digit is 4. So always in this case, if the number is ending with 5 and we are multiplying with the same number, first we can take the after number of this number, the first digit. The first digit is 4, so after number is 5. Then we can multiply it. Like maybe I can write down so it will be easy. 4 after digit is 5, right? Then what I did, 4 into 5, that we can easily find out, right? So it is 20. So after this it is clear. So you can see the first two digit is 20, right? Then what I did, then 5 is there. So 5 square, I mean 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. That's the answer. Okay, maybe I can give another example so you can easily understand what I mean to say. Okay. Okay, all right. So the second one is, suppose I'm going to do it 95 into 95, right? So what will be the answer for this? So 95, what is the after number of 9? 9 after number is 10, right? So now 9 into 10 equal to 90. So it is 90, then 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. So what should be answer? Answer is 90 and 25. This is the answer. Let's see. So 95 into 95. What's the answer? 9025. 9025. Okay. So all right, let's learn the next trick. So this time we want to find out the numbers which is very close to 100 and their multiplication, right? So I choose one number which is very close to 100, that is 98. Then I want to multiply with another number, that is suppose 94. I need to find out the result, right? So in this case we need to focus on 100. So to get 98, what I need to do from 100? So 100 minus 2 equal to 98. So 9, we need to mention here minus 2. So like that 94. How I can find 94? What minus or plus I need to do with 100 so that I can get 94? I need to, obviously I need to minus 6. Then I will get 94, right? So after that, what we need to do, we need to minus, because here minus is coming out, so we need to do minus, but it should be a cross way. Maybe I can give some symbol here so it will be easy for you to understand. It will go like this, okay, or it may go like this, right? So you can minus from 98, okay, minus 6, or you can minus from 94. 94 minus 92. So both the case the answer will be same. 98 minus 6 equal to 92. Otherwise 94 minus 2 also 92. Right? You can go like this or you can go like this. Your answer will be 92. Any one you have to choose. Then what you need to do? You need to multiply these numbers. Like 2 multiply with 6. So what is the number? 12. So that's it. That's the answer. So you can mention here the answer is 921 9212, right? So if you can see this calculator, let's do it and find out is it correct. 98 into 94. What is the answer? 9212. Perfect. So answer is correct. So similarly, I will take one number which is a little higher than 100. So take it 102 into 104. So what will be the answer? If it is 102, how I can get 102 from 100? So if I can add 2, then I can get 102, right? How I can get 104? In 100, if I add 4, I can get 104, right? In this case, here you did the minus, here you have to do plus, right? So this is also same way, like you have to do a cross, You can go like this, or you can go like that also. So suppose I am going like this, 102 plus 4, that is 106, or you can do it 104 plus 2, 106. After that you have to multiply these two number. 2 into 4, what is the answer? 8. But you cannot write 8, you can write 08. Why it is? Always you can try to get two numbers. If it is 10, that's fine. If it is 12, that's fine. But if it is one digit number, we have to put 0. So the answer will be 10608. So let's see what is the answer. If I multiply 102 into 104, what is the answer? 10608, 10608, right? So our trick is really working. So like that you can check yourself and choose the number very close to 100. Don't go beyond it, then this trick is not going to work out. So you need to make practice to learn this. Okay, all right, let's see the next trick. Okay, this is about multiple numbers ending with 5. For example, I'll take 35 into suppose 75. I need to find out the answer. In this case, forget about this 5. You need to omit this 5. You do not think about 5 for time being. So 3 and another one is 7, right? So first of all, you need to multiply them. So if we multiply 3 into 7, the output will be 21, right? Then you need to find a average of 3 and 7. What will be the average? The average will be 3 plus 7 equal to 10 divided by 2. So it is 5, right? So the average will be 3 plus 7 divided by 2 equal to 5, right? Then what you need to do, you need to add them. If I add both, what will be the result? 21 plus 5 equal to 26. Okay, after 26, okay, this is 26. So definitely first number is 26. Then the second part is 5 square, 5 into 5. So answer is 25. So if you see the calculator, let's find out 35 into 75. Then output is 2625. Output is 2625, right? I hope you understand this trick also. All right, let's see the last one. Here we can take a random number and multiply with another random number. There is no restriction here. There is no limitation. There should be 2 or 1 or 5. Any number we can take and try to find out the output of their multiplication. Okay, so let's see. One number I just take like 42 and another one maybe 31. Okay, so this is what I'm going to find out. For the reason I have to do some diagram or some lines I have to draw. But believe me, when you do these things in your notebook or on a paper, it will be quite easy and you can easily find out the answer. It will not take that much time. How much time is taking for me now because I am drawing in my laptop. Okay. So I just draw 6 lines because 4 plus 2, 6. I keep 4 in one group and another 2 in another group. Okay. So after that, 31, right? 31. So for that reason, I have to draw another set of lines, but like this. Okay. So it will be cross to each other. For example, you can see this 4 lines, right? So I'll keep it one separately because one is there separately and another 3 lines here. I just putting some space here so you can easily see this. Okay, this is the diagram. That's it. Now I need to find out the output. Okay, to cross we need to count this cross point, right? Maybe I can do some design for you so you can easily see that. Okay, 1 and 2, right? So like that here 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just for your understanding, I just go one by one, but I know that you can quickly count this because one side you can count, then you can multiply the other side, right? So let's see. Then what we need to do, we can just let me put everything in one place. Okay, this is 2 and this is 4, right? Okay. Um, okay, so this is 4 here, this is 12, right? So let's change it to 12, and here this is 6. Okay, so let's change it to 6. There is some problem. Okay, okay, so this is what I just put. After that, what you need to do, just take this. This is make it one side, make this one side, and count this one together. Okay, so what should be output? Okay, let me tell you what exactly you need to do after that. Okay, so keep this 2 here, so that will be 2. Okay, after that 6 plus 4, it is 10, right? So you can put 1, 0, 10, then 12, right? So instead of 10, you can keep it 0 and take 1 to the next. Okay, so next is 12 plus 1, so it is 13. So answer should be 1302. So let's see if that is the correct answer. 42 into 31. Correct. It is 1302, right? So like that you can do, you can try for more number also. So you need to make a diagram and take this part as the last number, then add this 2 middle part, and if it is 2 digit, take 1 digit to the next. Then 12 plus 1, 13. Here in case 2 is here, 6 plus 4 equal to 10. So keep 0 and take 1, and 12 plus 1 equal to 13. This is the answer. You can try like this. If you make it practice, I'm sure that you can do it much faster than how I did. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. Keep practicing. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.